What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pixel 6 from Google. That's right, in the kind of coral color. Wow, this is pretty. Wow, this is an interesting color, to say the least. Wow, this is just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I picked this up for $5.99 from Best Buy. You could also get it from Google, Best Buy, Amazon, a bunch of other places. I'll leave some links down in the description where you guys can pick this up. But this is the Pixel 6. Now, I have the Pixel 6 Pro in that Stormy black. That's right. This is the big boy. I'm part of Team Pixel. They sent this out to me. But I had to pick up the Pixel 6 on my own because I wanted to see what's going on with it. I want to see if this could be the new flagship killer. Now, it has a lot of specs to the Pixel 6 Pro, including the tensor chip. Yeah, say that 300 times fast. The tensor chip, and also it has the wireless charging. It has the 90 hertz display rate. Doesn't have 120. Has a pretty big battery. Has a lot of things. So, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now, I did get some Pixel Buds free, part of picking up the pre-order from Best Buy, so that was kind of cool. And let's go ahead and open this up. Now, this comes in 3 colors: the Stormy black, the Seafoam, and also this kind of coral. Oh, isn't that just lovely? Let me just give you a moment so that you can breathe as you appreciate this color. Wow, this is pretty. Wow, this is an interesting color, to say the least. Wow, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love the orange coral there. This is really well done. Really, really well done. Wow, this is a beauty. This is a beauty. Now, this is a 6.4 inch display. It's only 1080p. It's not Quad HD like the Pixel 6 Pro. So make sure you breathe. Ready? You love doing that. I love taking the the screen protector off there. I don't know why everybody loves it so much. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy up. Take a look at the back again. I see you looking at it. I see you staring. That's okay. You could stare. You could stare. So we're gonna put that there so you can enjoy it for a little bit. Now, it comes with the Type-C cable, also the data transfer Type-C adapter, also a SIM tool ejector there so that you can check out your SIM, but no AC brick or charging thing. You're gonna have to pick that up from Google. I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick one of those up if you want to check this out. Now, this is a 90 hertz display rate. It's not 120 like the Pixel 6 Pro, so you have to take that consideration. It does have the tensor chip, although it's only 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it's not how do you say it, 12 gigabytes of RAM like on the 6 Pro. So a couple other stats here. This is 128 gigabytes of storage. You can get the 256 in the black or the Seafoam if you want that, but this only comes in 128, I believe. It's rocking Android 12. Battery capacity on this bad boy is 4,600 milliamp battery. You get fast charging, 30-watt wire charging. You get wireless charging. You get reverse wireless charging. Now, on the back of this bad boy, now this doesn't have the telephoto lens like you get on the Pixel 6 Pro, but you do get a 50 megapixel lens, main camera lens with the laser autofocus. You get a 12 megapixel ultra wide, but you don't have that telephoto. And also on the front, you get that front facing camera, 8 megapixel camera. So that's kind of cool. If you ask me, that's kind of neat. So you also get the flat display on here, where the Pixel 6 Pro is, how do you say it? Curved. It has a curved display. So you get that flat joint. So it's going to be a lot easier to put screen protectors on it versus the 6 Pro. as you can see here, you know, it's a little curved, but the difference there, and obviously this is a 6.8, a lot bigger display. But I wanted to check this out because it's $599 versus $899. So that to me interested me a whole lot. You get the in-display fingerprint reader. You get Gorilla Glass Victus on here. So you get a pretty strong body as far as the build of it. Feels very solid like the Pixel 6 Pro. You get IP68, dust resistance. You get all that good stuff. So yeah, you get a lot of cool things on here for the money. So $599 is not a bad deal. So if you ask me, that to me, you get stereo speakers, I believe. You get the you don't get a headphone jack anymore. This is type C. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up. As you see, it has that new menu there. So we're gonna do United States. All right, so now it's going through the setup menu. As you see, it's a little new. I did connect to my Wi-Fi here. I haven't put a SIM card in here, but I will put a SIM card in so that we can make it happen. All right, so I got this puppy transferred over. I transferred over all my stuff from my Pixel 6 Pro, as you can see here. There's my Pixel 6 Pro. As you can see, the size comparison. You can see it's a little taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish it was a little bit taller. You know what I mean? The width seems the same, if you ask me. It seems like the width is the same. Maybe the Pro's a little bigger. But as far as the cameras, you're missing the telephoto on this bad boy. Also the refresh rate. This one has 120. This one has 90, which isn't bad. You still get wireless charging on this puppy, and 8 gigabytes of RAM on here. This is rocking Android 12, smooth as butter. And then you get, you know, you got wireless charging, and also this is Quad HD. This is 1080p. So, and for comparison's sake, this is not a small phone. It's 6.4. It's smaller than the Pro. Here I have the Pixel 5a, and you can see that this is bigger. Obviously, it's a bigger screen, also wider, and then the quality is much better on the Pixel 6 than on this Pixel 5a, I feel. So, comparison's sake, there you go. This is a thicker phone. As you can see, the Pixel 5a is thicker. But yeah, I mean, I'm really gonna see if I can enjoy this the Pixel 6, you know, over the Pixel 6 Pro. I do like this color. It does pop. It does have that you know, like it comes at you, you know, with that. Oh, I'm telling you, this thing is clean, bro. This, man, you need to call Colleen, because Colleen is the word for this bad boy. Look at this thing. I mean, it is just beautiful. Look at this. That thing is just lovely. Put my SIM card over to this. I'm gonna rock and roll this. I'm gonna put this in a case because this thing is an absolute beauty. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the Pixel 6 or the Pixel 6 Pro. Leave a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to be part of the party people. But that's gonna do it, man. I appreciate you guys for watching, man. This is the Pixel 6 and the kind of coral. It's kind of nice.